In this demo, we will be showing you how to use Clumio Backtrack for S3 to quickly recover files that may have been lost or compromised. Backtrack uses S3 versioning to restore your entire bucket to a previous point in time. Let's start by clicking on the Restore tab in the Clumio UI. Click on S3 Buckets, and we'll browse our inventory. Here we have some production S3 buckets configured for backup. Click on the Branch HR Storage bucket. The calendar below shows us the available restore dates for the items in our bucket. We'll want to do a Backtrack restore though. Notice the bucket details to the right. It shows that Backtrack is enabled. So now we'll do a Backtrack restore. We'll click the Backtrack tab, and under the Backtrack tab, we can see that Clumio is managing a couple million files of varying sizes. Clumio Backtrack can scale to protect petabytes of S3 data, and it can restore that data in minutes by leveraging the power of S3 bucket snapshots. Let's click on the Backtrack button to start a recovery. Click Rollback. We're going to roll back to a point in time with an S3 checkpoint of our bucket. This is helpful when your data might have been compromised and you need to roll back everything to the last known clean state. Here we will select a date and time we want to go back to when we know our data integrity is healthy. Click on the date dropdown. We'll choose July 2nd. We'll click on the time dropdown. And we'll choose 5 a.m. Click on the storage class dropdown, and we'll choose S3 standard storage. Click Preview to get a preview of our files. These are all of the files that we'll be restoring back to our bucket. If everything looks good, we can click Next. And now we can start our rollback by clicking Copy. The rollback has started, and we can track its progress in the activity screen. After a few moments, we see that under our task progress that we restored 125 objects into our Branch HR Storage S3 bucket. Any files that might have been compromised or that might have been incorrectly modified by an employee have been overwritten with clean copies. With Clumio Backtrack for S3, you can restore your entire bucket to a known good state in minutes. By leveraging S3 bucket snapshots, you eliminate the complexity of traditional restore processes while ensuring complete data integrity. Your teams can continue working without lengthy downtime or complicated recovery procedures.